The puppy and his mother. Short moral story. One night, Puppy is sleeping with his mother. Suddenly, he wakes up. He sees the moon and the stars. He wants to go out. Quietly, he gets up and tiptoes out of the house. Mother always tells him not to go out alone, but still, he goes out alone. He walks into the garden. It is dark outside. He is scared. Suddenly, he sees someone behind a bush. It must be the big black dog. Mother wants me about, he thinks. He starts crying loudly, "Mother, save me!" To his amazement, it is his mother. Out of the bush comes a figure. "Back to your bed," she says, Puppy, happily. Does as mother tells him to do. He hugs his mother and they go back home. Moral: always listen to what elders say and don't defy them.